Welcome back to Every Barber Shop channel. Thank you so much so far for I appreciate the last video. You guys turned up for the views and all that. Please, if you find this video interesting, subscribe or press the like button, just to let you know. Today we are going into how to barb for beginners. So I want to put this video through for everybody to understand how to cut hair from the beginning. You might be a dad, a father who wants to cut your child, or friends, or anybody, but this is simple basic on how to cut. And I believe when you listen closely and with all the practical tools, you can able to barb and do this successful. Just to follow the basic instruction and all that, you can able to barb successful. Okay guys, first you have to sterilize the clipper and oil the clipper. So this is my sterilized clipper or clipper side for clipper, just to sterilize it. This is the oil. So you apply the oil, to which I already done that. So when you apply all this, you use tissue. So use tissue to clean the clipper. Just use tissue paper to clean it. Or in the other way, you can still have like a small bowl, then put a sterilizer on it, then place the clipper inside it, just to, but that's when you have barbed a lot, that the clipper must absorb a lot of hair, so you can use that one to sterilize it. But apart from that, this is very okay. Depends on the oil. There are different clipper oil that you can use. So that is the first. So after you've done that, for example, this is the clipper and this is the adjustment of the clipper. You have to adjust it whatever way you want it. Maybe you want to cut a low cut, you want to cut fade, you want to cut skin. This is how it works. So for example, if you're cutting a bald haircut, you have to adjust it like this to the end. Like you have to, the both teeth have to level. The both teeth have to level, have to be exactly. So this is how you can able to get a bald hair. So if you want to cut like so how to hold the clipper, this another interesting thing, very important thing that every barber wants to know. It's very important on how to hold, or the way you hold clipper determines or how you are also going to get the results. So don't hold the clipper like this. Don't try to hold the clipper like this, or don't even try to hold it like this. I see some barbers hold the clipper like this. They hold it very close to the blade. No, you have to hold the clippers like this. If you check the clipper, you see it's like a two line, like a fingers, like where you can place your finger. It's better like two of your fingers like this. Use this to support the side. Use the thumb, this one to place on it. So your hands, your fingers will be in between or the middle of the clipper, close to the end of the clipper, which is close to the blade. But it's not like this. Don't hold it like this as your barber. Don't try to hold it like this at the same time. Hold it like this and use these two hands to support this, but you have to place your hand here. So this determine how you're going to cut the hair. So when you hold it like this, you might end up using force to cut the customer, but by the time you hold like this, it make it very flexible for you. You can decide to, depends on the area you are in the haircut, you can decide to, so it will be very flexible and it will be very okay for you. So the way you place the clipper is that's what we'll just to do experiment on how to. So you place your hand here. Just place your hand, use this one to support it, then place the thumb finger on the top. So as I said, on this it can be very flexible for cutting. It can be very flexible. You can do whatever you want to do. It can be very flexible. You can decide. So you can decide to be very flexible. So we place the clipper like this. But as I said, you have to adjust it whatever you want. I want to cut board now on this part, so I have to adjust it to the level so it can be very easy to cut the board like this. So it will be very easy to cut. Don't cut like this, and don't try to cut like this. Just cut. That's the reason why when you place your hand, when you place this one here, this one is to move it, so it will be very flexible, so it will be easy to cut. It will be easy to cut. So unless you want to cut this side, you can adjust the clipper. It all depends. You can adjust, but to get this level, you can decide to use attachments on the top, just to lower it, you can decide to use attachments on the top just to lower it. So that's it.